Good morning everyone. My name is Jyoti and I am from GEMS International School. Today I am going to show you the different innovative teaching techniques through which we can teach our students. So I have created the presentation of innovative methods in Google Slides. See, the first slide is the title slide. You can see that, and innovative methods to make your teaching effective. Then the next are the challenges which nowadays teachers are facing. The biggest challenge any teacher faces is capturing the students' attention, putting across ideas in such a way that it stays with them long after they left the classroom. So everybody is trying to cope up with this challenge, that how can we teach students so that they should get everything and then they should not forget it also. So balancing the different learning needs of students, differentiated learning is very important nowadays, because each child has a different caliber. We have to teach them according to their capabilities or as per their understanding, so we should follow the different strategies for that also. Helping parents and students meet long-term goals, definitely it is required, and students' individual responses are difficult to hear. There are many students in the class, those who can't speak, but while we are using a different methodologies, then we can come over those challenges also. So these are the biggest challenges according to me: differentiated learning, then capturing the students' attention, putting across the ideas, helping the parents and students, then the individual responses. Means we are focused individually on each child to take out the best out of from the child individually. So there are different innovative methods. First one is the creative teaching, in which we stimulate the creativity, include playful games or forms of visual exercises that will excite the young minds and capture their interest. So what we can do, this is the time-tested method to identify young creative minds' ability and encourage creative contributions, definitely. So what we can use while creating a creative teaching, we can use different methods: flipped classrooms, Skype exchange programs, there are online sites available which we can share it with students, through which they can learn basically. Then we have audio and video tools. Incorporate audio visual materials in your sessions, supplement textbooks with models, film strips, movies and pictorial materials. Use infographics and other mind mapping or brain mapping tools. Definitely it is a need of, you can see that we can use nowadays projectors in the class, smart boards are there, tablets, iPads. There are so many options through which we are enhancing the teaching methodologies so that students can better understand and apply it parallelly by using these tools. So here are the online tools: wikis, blogs, podcasts, then Skype, Teachers Tube, School Tube, then engaging students with PowerPoint, using Screenomatic and websites, the collaboration online resources using the YouTube, Windows Movie Maker tutorials and podcasts, social networking. There are different options which we can apply. So there are tools also for teachers which teachers can use: Moodle tool, Blackboard Plus, Learn tool, iTunes U. So these are the tools which teachers can apply while teaching the students in the classroom. Then we have the real-time learning, where we see that how teaching is taking place actually in the classroom and how we can enhance that, demonstrating through real life situations. In real world learning, we try to correlate each and every aspect of a topic with the real life connect situation, so that the students can better understand and apply it in daily life also. So real world learning is very important nowadays, so that it's easier for students also while we are connecting them through the real world examples to understand the concept. Then the brainstorm, definitely make time for brainstorming sessions into your classroom. These sessions are a great way to get the creative juices flowing. When you have multiple brains focusing on a single idea, you are sure to get numerous ideas. Everybody's thinking ability is different, so everybody will think differently. When you ask something from one child, and the same question you are asking from the whole class, definitely the answers will be different, and they are improving their thinking skills as well. Then role play, yes, that can be used in while they are taking the history classes or teaching literatures, or in any event while they are cooperating there in the Introducing lessons like a story. Yes, that is most important. While you start your class, there should be a connect with the student and a teacher. So yeah, we should always prefer to start the class either through a image or through a video or through a story, so that students can get connected with the teacher as well as with the class itself. The what is going in the class, teacher can easily explain them once all the students are connected with her, and they will grasp it quickly. Okay, so these are the different innovative method technology. I must say we can use Whiz, Junior, Mindspark, different learning portals which are freely available, and students can utilize it at the maximum, and they will help them in their growth also. And now I will explain you briefly what are the features I have applied here in slides. Okay, so the firstly I have given the headings, okay, where I have, if you see, then I have given the size 30, okay, for this heading. Okay, for the content I have given the Times New Roman 14. Here I make it bold also. I have changed the color also for a heading. Okay, then you can see that I have inserted the image from insert image, search the web, and from there I have picked that picture. Okay, and then I have inserted the chart also. If you see, if I will double click on it, or we can open the source to see what I have created it here, to see how many of you daily face different challenges in teaching. Definitely we have to get a survey on this so that we can provide them the different methodologies to help them out. So I have created a pie chart here, inserted it here, okay, through insert chart option, okay, and then I have inserted pie chart and I have given the values there. Then we have a creative thinking we have done, audio visual tools okay, creative thinking we have done, okay, audio visual tools. Definitely we have discussed this one also, but how the pictures are coming, that I told you. In the same way, from the web I have taken it. Then here also I have inserted the image. So then I have created a table also, if you see it here, for the different grades of what kind of activities they are doing and what skill they are learning with the new ideas. Welcome to new ideas, okay. So we can share our ideas here to help the people. And then I have inserted, if you notice it here on this slide, I have inserted the different shape call out and the rectangular shape here to show the different methods of creative teaching. Okay, then formatting of headings, applying theme. Yes, I have applied the theme also while I was selecting the slide. Show you on my basic slide. If I will go back, okay, I'm closing the animations. From the themes itself, I have picked this one theme. So we can change the theme also if it is required, okay. This one, topic theme I have chosen, okay. We can change the layout of the slide also as per our requirement. We can pick, if you see on the maximum slides, I have used the title and body. First slide is based on just the title slide, okay. Then I have inserted the chart type also, okay. So these are the different layouts available which we can use according to our requirement, okay. Then adding images and shapes, I explained you. Adding charts, tables, I told you how to insert the chart, how to insert the table. For insertion of a table also, we go here and directly insert the table, select the number of rows and columns, okay. Then I have done the basic formatting of a table. I have changed the fill color, okay, here. If I will select it, I have changed the fill color. It's a border color, okay. Once we select the table, you can see I have changed the fill color, okay. I have changed the heading color. Then I make it bold also. So these are the different methods which we can use to insert tables, charts in our presentation. Next is the explore feature. I have used to search about different links which I can store on Google Keep, okay. So through explore feature, I have searched the educational sites links. Educational site links. Okay, once you get the links, then I have used the tools, and from there I have used the Keep Notepad. Okay, I will show you Keep Notepad also, closing the themes, everything. I have created a Keep Notepad so that while I'm teaching in a class, I can share these URLs with my students also. skillzen.com, here you can see gurukulconnect.com, time for learning. So basically, while we are working with it, it is easy to refer. We don't because we can't learn it or set it in a mind that these URLs. Okay, so we should save it at some one place which are easy to accessible. Okay, so I have clicked it. If I will click on any link, it will open at a new page. You can see that. It is opening. Okay, so in this way we can use Keep Notes also to refer to different links. So this is the way we can open the sites through Google Keep also. Okay, we can use YouTube. Different methods are there which we are using to improve the teaching methodologies in our daily life. I hope so. I have covered all the features as mentioned. Transitions and animations, yes. Last step I missed out is insertion of animations. I clicked on it. Okay, then firstly I have applied I will show you through the present notes. Okay, from here we can choose the add animation and we can change it. We can set it on click or automatic or previous. Okay, same way we can set the transitions, okay, which I have already applied on all the slides. So I will show you all the transitions and animations through present. I'm running it in a presenter mode. Okay, so you can see images coming, then the heading. I have applied different animations on each slide, on the images, on the text. Okay, so different methods actually basically which we can use to improve our teaching methodologies in the classroom. So I hope so you have liked my PPT. Okay, and I have covered all the features. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you liked it.